Kebelah pi baro epidang subhai pi shikani ketuk kubor mentaka jan miat shaban ngin sedang tungin ya pai shikani ki kubor berkongsan. Shipau nagi kawai tili ki district Meghalaya ki hap apok ke green zone dan hap ke east Khasi Hills ke orange zone. Anwan rak biang ke sokar ya ki besakut shiki weipat ki jela da ke besna da ki kenhun ai jin kershan ki nongelam shnong halo ke nekarai jong ke sokar. Pencai umin curang ba ke jelau konrat sangma halo ke jingkili ke bumi na ki social media ya ke jingtiet ya ki apasan teli ki ambulans. Bat no jengirap ke Assam Rifle Shillong Unit isya ki longyeng ki berduna ke jingyo. Ki khubor ki berbenya. Hadian ba omdan syu kinu ki bayo thamai ke jingpang COVID-19 ha ke jela umin curang ba ke jela konrat ki sangma ula penbena ya ke nong ba Shillong bat ki jaka bermajan badala ban penhap ke green zone. Abai kran ba kila pathai khubor ne ke sngi konrat sangma ula ong ba ya ka jingpen bena ba ke Shillong kan hap ke green zone la ban penbena hadian ke khatwei tarik ujemang namar ibayo khatdu ya COVID-19 ke long men ha ke apwei tarik uyayong bat haduk menta ke sokar kadang yai ap ya ki kai pot sha ke jong uwei ibai layo positif. Kasoka jela ke larai ban penjunsur ki katu kat ni ki kendon hadian ke lai tarik mentau benai ha ki jaka ki bahap apok ke green zone. Kasoka jela ke lapan bena ya ke jingsha ya ke jing trei kum ka jing ti mar po khendau na do ka south tarik mentau benai bat sha ban ya na ke wei ke district ki bahap ke green zone sha ke wei pat tang apusan na ka shispa.
As of now, out of the 11 districts, the 10 districts are in green zone, and one district, which is East Khasi Hills, is in orange zone as of now. We have technically one active case as of now, but there's a last test that is left, which we should be getting the results any time. And the first test, which was done 24 hours back, tested negative. So if the second test consecutively comes out as negative, then that case also will be under recovered case. So then we won't be having any active cases in Meghalaya.
Ki nongelam shnong negasngi ki la ai ke jing kershan ke sorka jela banwan ra ki samla puli ki besakut syaki weipat ki jela jongkeri. Aba ai jing tren begala pathai khubor hadian ke jingelang bat ke sorkar u general secretary ke senjuk ki nong senchar ke shnong ka brio nyautrap uba RL bla uloong ba ke sorkar ke kwa banwan ra ki tu ki besakut syaki weipat ki jela ki bekentup ki samla puli na duk ka santarik mentau benai bat on pentri kam ya kene da ka bashna kenhun. Haduk lai hajar lai spak nru phongwat ki sakut syaki weipat ki jela ki la penrung kerteng yela dia ban yo wan pai syaki yeng ki sem. Uba bala ulo ong ru ba soka ka khmi lenti ba ka jingdon jong ki bakwa ban wan pai kan kiu syaka pra hajar ngut. Uba bala ulo ong ba soka kan wa jingtep na ki dong ki beper ago ka jingkwa ban wan pai yeng. Ula ban rap syu ba ki bahyeng hasem jong ki tu ki ban wan pai kin hap ban chong set kut haduk kha sau sngi kat kum ka jing betha.
In the next 48 hours to 72 hours, we will be seeing slowly the movement of people from the state who are stranded in other parts of the country. They will start coming in back to the state. First phase, we will be seeing people who are stuck within the northeast first coming in. We expect that the numbers could be anything between 3,000 to 4,000. Health checkup at the border, then to sensitize them, then at the same time to quarantine them. The Rangba Shnongs and the headmans and the local development committee members will play a very important role.
The government this time, before doing anything, they have called us and taken us into confidence that we will want to share the data with the respective headmen, that these people have come back and entered the respective localities with prior information to the headman.
Menteri nang ba ke jelau konrat ki sangma ula pensyai bagi absan teli ki kali ket nongpang lani ki ambulans ki belatiet da ke sorkar na Uttar Pradesh ki dei ki bertemai. Aba pensyai lo ka jingkeli ke belami hagi social media bagi dei ki ambulans ki beladak pendon kamteng usangma ula ong bagi ne ki ambulans ki dei ki bela syubu lupa da ke sorkar Uttar Pradesh ban pendon kam haga po bekerki bat kumjuk ru yakini ki ju hi ki ambulans 8 poi Nagaland bat ki wei ki jela. uong ru ba om la syu ban yo da ki wei pat ki ambulance bat ka jela ka long ka bahabok ban yo ya kini ki ambulance
for UP and were put on standby for UP is the stock from which Nagaland and some other states and Meghalaya also got. These are ambulances and things which are brand new. There is no second-hand ambulance in this, and it was in the, as I said, in the backup category for UP, and we were very lucky as a state that we managed to get it. Otherwise, they could have gone to other states. So we managed to get 25 out of them. So I think there is no need to have any confusion in that. These are brand new vehicles that have not been driven at all, but they were kept in the stock of the 108.
Ka Shillong Unit Officer jong Shipai Assam Rifle ka lapalong iya ka jing Sam A ya ki Marba Mardi shikilong yeng ki Baduna ka jing yo anong ba Shillong kini ki Shipai ki la Sam A ya ki Marbam ki Bakantup yo khaw ki Shana Shini ka dot bat ki jing da khmut bat khmat ha ka ni ka por bami ki jing e na ka daw khunyang jing pang COVID-19 kani ka jing sedang ka long kum shibenta ban pentikna bagitu ki bom la ban thiet ya ki ration ki dei ban yo ya ki Marbam Skim Pradhan Mantri Kisan Saman Nidhi Kathmu ban ai jing rap pisa ya kinong rap ban pentikna ba ka jing rap ka jongki an long ka baseiso kinong rap ki ba na nong ston ki la yo ya ka jing rap na ka ni ka skim ha ka por jong ka jing khang shnong ka ni ka pisa ka rung bet cha ka bank account ka jongki usket tri ka shnong siet le uba ji nong lang ula ong bada ki spangot ki la yo jing rap na ka ni ka skim ka bala penmi da ka so ka pedeng bat ka ni kan kring biang iya ki samla ban sedang biang ya ki kam rap
ai ke jing rap ini kontinong rap ting jama kelong mak dalin kuni nakalian kan ka PM nakalian kan ka PM kisan skim ngarayo laisin Basun rum kalung hajar laisin kalung 2,000 has nyuman ai beliau prime minister dan Narendra Modi kalau penmi kan ka skim ngam da ni ki baduk tentang skim rap
Trigat nat ka koi ka khia uba el hek la lek ban jurep ya ki health center ki badon hapo ka lasken CNRD block ban shim khia i ko kom kre bat pancha ya u COVID-19 uba hek ula lek ban jurep ya lightly ki health center kata ka lasken community health center sa senyang PHC bat barato PHC haringkat UMLI ka than uba nujor hok sungo Director Kot Yakhya Dr. Ewar bat District Medical and Health Officer ke West Janta Hills Dr. Kisi Ajar Habayakran bakila pathai khubor ba hek ula ong bagatnat jong Kot Yakhya ka jupelong ya ka jing jurep na kapor sekapor ya ki health center ban khmi benya hlo ka jing penkre bat persha ya COVID-19 upan pauru ya ka jing snow hun hlo ka jing penkre ki doctor bat ki nong tre jong ki PHC bat CHC bat ong ba ki isolation ward ki jing dak mut bat center bat ki dawai senret ki long ki balapan kre
ba ni ki PHC jungi ki bade ma ko ki bade sejingar ni hajan ru ya long em ki bala konkre na ka banta jinur kam na ka banta kanika je fight dam dauni coronavirus tiga bagi sem ni yang ni i bagi ni ki doktor ni lalu ki nurses ni lalu ki lab technician bagi wi ki nong tray bate ni ki department ni kalau kita lapung thaya bah ladon ka isolation center nanti ladon ru ki PPE ladon ru ki mask sanitizer ki gloves bagi ki rekam joki bagi tu rangka ru bat ka DMNHO office
Umshibenta ban pau ya ka jing skongu ya ki nong tray ki bele persha ka jing pur uknyang jing pang COVID-19 hakari u Chief of Defence Staff u General Bipin Rawat ula ong bagi sipai kari kin sapelong ya ki program ki bapher ka lightrik u jamang madu men step adu janmit Kishipai sun kin pelong ya ka jing penher ki leng sun thma kishipai kin pelong ya ki jing tem jing put ha ki hospital ba ai jing sumar COVID-19 ha ka leng kari kishipai du riau ru kin pelong ya ka jing pen i nam halo ki kam ki jongki pang in yakmi ka jing long jiman jong sun meneng ka jing shet jing khak sun meneng ha shlong ka long upway degree celsius sa ka po men step bat khat lai point sun degree celsius sa ka po jan miet ka jing skam kau hau ka long nyopu an shispa aga po men step ba prapun re shispa aga po jan miet kajing hap slap kalong 0.0 mm kasun benang kandum lo ashlong bat kijaka bamajan ba ashwangin penkod in pai bangsa ASEAN chekin himat bakong san Shipau na kikaway tili ki district a Meghalaya ki hap hapo ka green zone dang hap ka east Kasiel sa ka orange zone An manra biang ka sokar ya ki basakot shiki way pat ki jela daga bashna daga kenhun ai jing kershan kinong alam shnong lo ka nekarai jong ka sokar Pensyai umin turang ba ka jela kon rat sangma lo ki jing kili ki bami agi social media ki jing thiet ya ki absan tali ki ambulance Bat no jingrap ke Assam Rifle Shlong Unit Shah Kilong Yeng Kibaduna ke jingyo. Teparlok kat tungi lapoi shebakut jong tuk kubor jingi mentaga janmiet hadu bangin syam pila syai kesni hagajuk ko po kubli pi baro.